So I'm getting ready to go to Miami for swim week. I'm gonna be there for about 5 days, and then I'm taking a little extra time to hang out with my husband down there too. It's gonna be really hot. I believe in sleeves all the time, but I feel like in Miami I have to be pretty conscious of packing. I usually wait until the very last minute and get stressed out. I also it's fun putting together outfits on my bed. I'm gonna be going to a lot of fashion shows and a lot of events and parties while I'm in Miami, so I definitely want to keep things fun and colorful. I just got this Farm Rio dress that I'm obsessed with. I can't ever go away without a basic slip dress, even if it's to the mountains and it's cold. I feel like you can always layer them, but I'm loving this one from Silk Laundry. I love the polka dot moment. This is one of my favorite pieces for warm weather. It's this fun little play suit from Oh Hey Girl. Kind of makes me feel like I'm going on a safari, but I'm here for it. I just picked this up recently at Duo NYC, and it's a vintage set, and it's covered in fruit, which I love. I'm definitely gonna be spending some time at the beach or in the pool, so I'm packing a couple suits. I really focus on sustainable swim brands. I have this from Bromelia, which is an ethical swimwear brand. Gallimar. She's actually based in Brooklyn, I think. So I have a couple suits from her. I love a high waist. This brand is called Hot as Hell, and it is also sustainable. Oh, that's so easy. I'm so excited. Currently super obsessed with these Carlisle shoes. I usually try to pack neutral shoes just because they go with everything, but I feel like everyone needs a statement shoe, and slime green and pink PVC are pretty much the most statement you can go. A pair of dad shoes because I like to explore, and if I'm exploring I want to be comfortable, so these from Ash are the best. I can never decide on a bag to bring, so I usually bring one basic, good, black, everyday, goes with everything bag. A ton of colorful mini bags that really can't hold anything except for my phone, but they're really cute and I need them, so. God, this thing has seen better days. I'm a skincare fanatic, and I always make sure that I pack my favorite facial oils and facial sprays with me when I travel. In particular, I'm loving this Maleo facial oil. It's super light for during the day when it's hot out, so it's pretty good for Miami. This Kus and Kus facial serum that has cannabis oil in it, it's super nourishing and super heavy, but I like it for night, and I feel like after a day in the sun it definitely kind of revives me. I love a good facial spray, and this Yvonne one is really good. I try to be really minimal with my makeup while I'm on vacation, but sometimes, for a dinner I feel like I need a little something. This Koza's tinted facial oil, it's super light and it goes on like a facial oil, so it's also really nourishing. Huda Beauty palettes are insane. Really colorful, so these are fun to play with at night. Thanks for packing with me. I'm gonna take a nap before I go to the airport.